So this is view 6, Condotel. I'm in room 414 on the 12th floor. Just gonna give you a quick room tour of this is this is a Cando Holiday service place. They have the other one is Honey, and they both have offices downstairs on the 3rd floor, which is the main floor. Don't ask why the 3rd floor is the main floor and why there is no 1st floor. Those are long stories, I guess. So this is the bathroom. We're kind of on our way out. We're going to move to a Honey condo, but this is the Cando one, and I really like this one. I hope the Honey one is as good as this one. Only thing was the shower doesn't have the waterfall shower head, but here you got the shower head. The shower's pretty good. Hot water's pretty good. Water pressure's good. Yep. Toilet, nothing crazy, you know, regular. But it's nice. You got your refrigerator here. Give you a toaster, a microwave, and a coffee maker. You got your cups and plates up here, so that's cool too. Got our cups. You gotta get your own dishwasher stuff, I think. Actually, I'm not sure. I'm sorry. We were only here for a day, but Monica got here before me, so she may have done some stuff. Yeah, so it's a studio. Everything is all here. And this one room, once you get through, you got your sofa, you got the big bed, you got this little work table here. You got your TV and a little table here. Fan. Walking. The air conditioner. It's not hooked up with a key. You get a actual key. So it's not a key card. So you could have the air conditioner running while you're outside of the room. It's 100 degrees outside. It's really bad. I mean, once I open this, I feel it. So this is the balcony area. We stayed at Altera before, and the balcony area was it was smaller, and this was like literally right over us. So it just makes it even hotter than it normally is, just being outside. So this is obviously a lot of the rooms are, well, every room that I've been in is a non-smoking room, but every room that I've been in has some type of balcony. So you're expected to do all your smoking on the balcony, not in the rooms. I think you can get in trouble for that. So nice views. Yep. And that's about it. This is Ariel Penn signing off from Pattaya, Thailand. The View 6 Condotel and Hotel. Condos and Hotel. Alright. Adios.